Paula Corn. So today, we are conversation with the business owner of Say Korean Noodles, Auntie Joy.
What are the different ways for customers and or suppliers to contact you?
Message lang tsaka tawag lang sila sa akin. Yun lang yung ginagawa lang.
How often do you use a phone or cellular phone for business?
Sometimes 3 persons a day. Not always, not every day. Only 1, 3 persons. Enough. Okay lang po.
Does your establishment have an internet connection? If yes, what is it? Purpose? If not, would you consider having it in the future? Why or not?
Yes, kasi nga kailangan ko mag-ano ng connection internet para sa mga customer ko kasi minsan kasi nagbabayad sila ng GCash. Kailangan sila minsan wala silang kailangan wala silang connection pag nandito sila kaya sinishare ko sa kanila yung ano ko.
Does your business have a website? If yes, how does it help the company? If not, would you consider having one in the future? Why or why not?
Paano nga ba yan? O syempre, kailangan kasi sa araw-araw na gastusin. Kailangan ko talagang tumayang dito kasi nga, anong gagawin ko sa bahay? Nakatunganga lang. Syempre, kailangan kong mag-business para sa future ko nga siya. Dahil para araw-araw may gastusin ako, araw-araw na may pambili ng pangangailangan ko. Kaya ako nagtayo ng ganito.
Would you consider giving free Wi-Fi access in the future? If you already have it, does it help boost sales?
Oo naman, syempre. Sinishare ko talaga yan. Para naman, paano? Hindi ko alam nga. Basta yan lang yun. Sinishare ko lang. Oh.
And that's it for today. Now you know the nearest school backend is Stratford International School. The Say Korean Noodles. And now you know the nearest school backend is Stratford International School.